The 2025 Ambassador Supreme is here, and it's redefining what a full-size luxury sedan should be. Designed with elegance, power, and cutting-edge technology, this flagship model stands out in every way. From its bold front grille to its sleek, aerodynamic body lines, the Supreme exudes sophistication while maintaining a commanding presence on the road. Under the hood, it features a powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing 550 horsepower, delivering effortless acceleration and a refined driving experience. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension, the Supreme ensures a smooth yet engaging ride, whether cruising down the highway or navigating tight city streets. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with innovation. Premium leather upholstery, real wood trim, and a fully digital cockpit create an environment that is both inviting and futuristic. The state-of-the-art infotainment system seamlessly integrates with voice controls, offering an intuitive and distraction-free experience. A 20-speaker premium sound system fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio, perfect for those who appreciate high-quality sound on the go. Comfort is taken to the next level with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats for both front and rear passengers. The ambient lighting system is customizable, allowing drivers to set the perfect mood for every journey. Rear passengers also benefit from executive-style reclining seats, complete with individual touchscreen controls for climate and entertainment. Safety and driver assistance features are top-tier, including a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an advanced AI-powered collision prevention system. The Supreme is designed to make every drive not only luxurious but also incredibly secure. The 2025 Ambassador Supreme is a statement of prestige, blending high performance with world-class luxury. It's built for those who demand the best and refuse to compromise on style, technology, or comfort. Whether behind the wheel or riding in the back, this sedan delivers an experience like no other. Stay tuned for more automotive content from Car Culture State.